Once upon a time, in a magical place called Rainbow Bay, there lived a group of dancing dolphins. Every evening, when the sun began to set, the dolphins would gather to perform their amazing dance for all the children. They would leap high into the air, splashing water everywhere as a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky above. The children would clap their hands and laugh, cheering for the dolphins as they twirled and spun in perfect harmony. As the dance continued, the dolphins would dive together, creating a big wave that shimmered under the twinkling stars. At the end of their performance, the dolphins would take a bow, and the families gathered around a cozy bonfire would cheer and clap. As the night went on, the dolphins would wave goodbye, swimming back into the ocean under the bright moonlight. The children would lie on the warm sand, dreaming of their dolphin friends, as fluffy clouds floated by, shaped like dolphins swimming. When morning came, the sun began to rise, and a playful dolphin jumped out of the water to greet the new day. The children woke up with smiles, running to the beach, where they saw the dolphins swimming close to the shore, ready to play again. The dolphins splashed around playfully, while the children giggled and shouted, excited to join in on the fun with a bright beach ball. As the dolphins and children played together in the sparkling water, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky once more, adding magic to their day. With every leap, the dolphins made big splashes, while the children laughed and tried to catch the sparkling water flying through the air. The dolphins showed off their amazing tricks, spinning and flipping in the air as a group of cheerful seagulls flew above, adding to the joyful scene. The children cheered and clapped with delight as the colorful sunset began to paint the sky in beautiful shades of orange and pink. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the dolphins gathered for one last dance, while the children sat on the sand, mesmerized by their beautiful performance. The dolphins leaped high into the air, silhouettes against the vibrant sky, while the calm ocean reflected the stunning colors of the sunset. As the dolphins swam away one last time, the children waved goodbye, while the night sky above Rainbow Bay began to fill with twinkling stars. The children sat around a cozy campfire on the beach, sharing stories about their dolphin friends, while a soft blanket of stars covered the night sky. As the night went on, the children yawned and snuggled into their blankets, feeling the gentle breeze rustling through the tall palm trees. With their eyes closed, the children drifted off to sleep, dreaming of the dancing dolphins while the moonlight shimmered on the water, creating a magical glow. On that peaceful night, the gentle sound of waves crashed softly, and in the distance, dolphins played joyfully under the glowing moonlight. As the sun rose once again over Rainbow Bay, the children woke up, filled with excitement for another day of dolphin adventures. Once